Do you have trouble remembering to pay your bills on time? I'm Allison, a professional organizer, and I've been sharing 24 easy organizing ideas that you can actually do in 2024 to get organized, and here is how I stay on top of my bills. We'll quickly tackle both digital and paper bills, so hang tight. Once I get the bill, I have to make the decision whether I can tackle this right away or if it's going to have to wait till later. If it waits till later, it's going back to unread. I go into my calendar and I mark what bill it is with the amount and make it as an all-day event, usually the day before the bill is due, just in case. And I color code it so that it's really easy for me to see at a moment's glance. I look at my calendar every day so I'll know if I have to go in and pay a bill that day. If I'm able to, I will go directly into my banking app and set up payment for that bill. If I do set up payment for the bill, I mark auto or paid in the calendar so I know it's taken care of. If it is a paper bill that comes in, this is what I do. Usually I open mail it downstairs. From there, it's going to come upstairs and it's going to go to one of two places. I made a video on this before, either Action or my bin underneath to file. Action would be for something that I'm paying, right? So I will put it here once a week or so. I will go through this and I will do the same procedure that I did for the digital bill. So I will look at that bill, say, okay, it's due on the 16th. We'll either put it into my calendar that I have to pay it on the 15th if I want to do the day before, or I will go directly into my banking app and I will set it up as an auto payment and still put into my calendar and just note that it's paid automatically. If you don't have a digital calendar and you prefer to write things down, you can put it there too. Really, whatever works for you. Let me know if you have other paperwork questions, whether that's digital or physical paper, and follow along to keep getting organized with me.